We are witnessing the rise of Goonism in political rallies. We know, like today, there is a rally in Homa Bay called Linda Mwananchi and all over. And of late, we have seen the young people being used by those who have failed to understand that they have a fiduciary role, using the youths for Goonism and attacking anybody who is deemed to be speaking from a different script. We want to remind and caution and at the same time bring into perspective that the government and the ministry concerned in security, they have a fiduciary role for care and royalty. Yeah, despite them promising that they will ensure that there is protection of everybody's rights in rallies, yet we have been seeing goons penetrating into rallies and causing division and harm.